How to change your Fantasy Premier League team name. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Premier League application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, if you tap on the fantasy option here and then tap on the pick team option, you will see a bunch of options in here. However, you will not see the option for changing your team name anywhere. So in order to change your team name, you will have to open the web version of Fantasy Premier League. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com and make sure you are signed in to your account. Now, tap on the Pick Team option you see there and then scroll down to the bottom to Admin tab. Under the Admin tab, you will see the option for Team Details. Tap on it and now go ahead and tap on the team name text box you see there and you will now be able to make changes to your team name. So go ahead and make the required changes and finally tap on the Update Details option you see there. And with this, if you go back to your team, as you can see, the changes that you made has been saved. So this was about how you can change your Fantasy Premier League team name. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.